A morning. I am trying my hardest not to cuss, not to crash out. I am just irritated to the max right now. I decided to go shop on another side of town because I am getting more subscribers. A few people in the town that I shop at kind of recognize me, so I don't really feel comfortable shopping where I normally shop anymore. I'm not gonna lie. And then you'll see people in the comments putting down like, oh, that's right here, I know where that is. And if you're one of those people, please stop doing that. Y'all sit here and say be safe and all this stuff, and I get it, you might get excited because like I know that background, that's great, but be quiet. Thank you. Like, I don't understand that. Be safe. I'm gonna tell everybody in the comments what location you frequent. Like, I'm sorry, y'all. So anyway, I drive a little ways away so I can go shopping. Tell me why. This is why I don't like going shopping at certain stores, because they don't have what you need. So I came all the way out here, drove 45 minutes to shop in a different area. But this area doesn't carry everything I need, especially the stuff I need to make the meal I want to make today. So I have to drive back and basically go to the stores that I didn't go to because they have the stuff that I need. So I'm just frustrated this morning. I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna calm down. I'm gonna see y'all in a second because I don't want to, I started this off wrong. This energy I have is wrong. I'm sorry, but I'm I'm pissed off today, y'all. Let me calm down. I'm gonna breathe. I'm gonna count to 10. I'm gonna breathe. So it's the next morning and I fell asleep. I had a big plan. I was supposed to meal prep last night. I was supposed to redo my kitchen just a little bit. I bought some stuff from Amazon and from the dollar store. I kind of wanted to put up and see how it looked. So I put the TV on, lay down, out like a light. I don't even remember falling. I don't know what I was even watching. I don't remember falling asleep, nothing. So I'm up super early trying to do this. Oh, it's a shadow. Okay, I thought I saw a bug. It's a shadow. Okay. But yeah, and I'm stopped up. I've been stopped up for the last few days. Before last night, I had actually taken a few days out of the van because I did start to hear like I'm getting very congested and stuff. So I took a little break from the van. I'm back in here, but I would say I'm being lazy, but it's just Monday morning. I think that's just like a given, you know? But let's go ahead and put this stuff up so I don't have to do it when I get off. I heard that. Oh, so let me show y'all what I plan on putting up real quick. So number one, I just like trying stuff from Dollar Tree, so don't judge me. Leave me alone. But I got these super large tiles. I kind of want to try these on the wall to see how it would look. And I also got them because they're large and you probably only have to use a few of these to do this little section. Got some more of these just in case I didn't like it. This is what I originally had in here, so got those two just in case. It is time for me to change my batteries again. This is the only light that's currently working, and it looks a little bright on camera, but it's really not. It's super dim. Same with my little twinkle lights. They're a little dim. I had misplaced this light at first, but I just found it. Those two lights down there, the batteries are dead, so I need to change them. So I want to do that. I bought some more stuff, but I feel like we should just focus on one thing before I open something else and then get it messy in here. So let's go ahead and do this. And then I really want to put up the my little paper towel holder. So yeah, let's do the batteries first. Well, in order to do the batteries, I would have to open my packages to find the batteries because I bought the batteries on Amazon. I don't want to. Dang it, I don't want to do that right now, but I need to see, you know, like I need to see. Okay, let's open the packages. Get these packages. Nope, that's not it. Batteries. Let's get to it. Oh my gosh. Okay. The floor is hard. Really? Hold on, y'all, because I'm just now realizing my ring light. That's another reason why it looks so dark in here. My ring light batteries need to be changed. Oh my gosh. Ooh, look at, yes. Okay, hold on. Can y'all see it? Ooh. Shine bright like a diamond. All right, that is bright. Hold on. That's a little too bright for me. Hold on. All right. Okay, hold on. Can y'all see the difference? Can y'all tell? These are fresh batteries on the exact same setting. Yes, no? Put it down in the comments if y'all can tell. Much, much brighter. Maybe maybe I'll put one in backwards because that's not supposed to happen. Hold on. My light just doesn't work anymore. Oh, that sucks. It's not gonna work. Okay. Well, we just gonna have to make it do what it do with 2 lights, but right now that's plenty of light, so I'm gonna have to go purchase some. Really? As long as it works. Okay, you have an attitude problem. Oh my gosh. And then gonna turn off. What are you doing? All right now. Ah! Stop playing with. Okay, I'm not about to have a light that got an attitude like that. Just think you can do whatever you want to do when you want to do it. Like, that's not how this works. Why this light playing with me, y'all? But y'all just saw it come on. Like, what? I am not gonna let you ruin my peace this morning. I'm not. Y'all saw that though. I'm just gonna leave it there. Y'all saw that though. I'm gonna go count to 10. I'm gonna go do that. Because this light not gonna act like that with me. So with this light, if I want to use it, I really have to come like right here and turn it on or off. And you know the crazy thing, y'all? Watch this again. On, off. But this remote works with all the other lights. So why are the other lights on and this one is the only one? Like, y'all see this? What is going on with my lights and my remote and my battery? What? Don't do this morning. I'm not in the mood. Okay. With an attitude like how I've been having the last 2 days, because I really don't know what's going on. It's just like everything just irks me lately. I think I'm just gonna play it safe and I'm just gonna go buy breakfast this morning. We're gonna do that because I don't even need to clean up. My attitude is like, you know. All right, let's get back to this because, yeah. But I'm not gonna lie, sometimes it just annoys me being in here because I don't have hot water to clean with most of the time, unless I take the time to, of course, boil the water or whatever. I am hoping this is gonna save me so much time and aggravation. Only thing is, of course, you need power to have this to work, so I'm hoping it can work with my Jackery, but let's see. If not, then I'll have to plug it into my big power station, but that's okay. I have enough power today. So I'm going to use this to go ahead and clean and steam the wall first. I don't think I like this at all. Like, I feel like I'm forcing, I don't like it. I don't like it. I feel feel like I'm trying to force myself to like it. I don't like it. It looks so... I don't even know the word. I just don't like it. What do y'all think? Should I try the other one? I don't even... We have some other stuff we can do, so let's go do that and we'll come back to this. But I don't like this. I don't know why this is bothering me so much. This reminds me of the tile that used to be in like the high school bathroom. Except for this is white, and I think that used to be like pink or something. It just... Stop looking at it. Stop looking. Okay. Let's go do something else, because I don't like this. This don't make me want to come in the kitchen. Okay, I said, okay, let's go. Let's go. We'll come back. We'll come back to this. Alright, so let me show y'all the new stuff I got. So I got this. I basically just bought 2 more of these, the exact same ones, I'm pretty sure. I want to put it up here, but before I put this up, I don't want it to be up here on this wallpaper. The wallpaper is easy to take down, so how about I just live with it for like a day or 2. If I don't like it, I'm taking it down. I already have the other one, so I'm just gonna calm down. We're just gonna live with it. So we're gonna see. Boxes right there. Stuff I had to pull out. Just more stuff I had to pull out. So what's going on right now is I cannot find my drill. I haven't been able to find it for like 2 months. Seriously. I swear, y'all, it's like all my stuff is disappearing. But where is it going? Where is it going? And it's making me... I'm pissed off, y'all. I just have a bad attitude the last few days. Like, I am pissed off. And I really wanted to put some harsher cuss words in between there, but I'm trying to calm down. I can't do anything. Everything I need a drill for, or at least a good screwdriver. This screwdriver is way too short. It's dull. And it doesn't fit my screws. Hardly fits my screws. Like, it was able to put this together, thank goodness. I struggled to put that together with this. It makes no sense, y'all. Like, I have the light that came with the drill. They use the same battery pack. Battery pack gone. Battery pack is with the drill. Where is my drill? I have looked everywhere. This van is only but so big. It's not in here. And a lot of my stuff has been coming up missing lately, and it's pissing me off. It's pissing me off. Like, I will put something down, turn around, come back. 5 seconds later, it's not there. Mother effer, I know I put it there. Like, what is going on in the world? It's like I keep switching realities and I come back to a different one and everything is slightly different. Bro, I am living in the Twilight Zone. I swear for God. I'm not even playing with y'all. Like, it's literally making me think I'm going crazy. Where is it? So I'm in a bad mood because I put all this stuff together. I bought all this stuff. I'm thinking like, before work, you know, we gonna jazz it up. And when we get off, we gonna come back to a completely different house. No. I'm coming back to a damn train wreck. And whoever car that is, shut it off, or I really want to blow it up. That ish has been going off for over an hour. Like, bruh, just steal the damn car. You know, it shouldn't take that long. Just steal the damn car. Alright, y'all. So, I'm not even going to sit here and lie. I'm pissed off. I just had me a whole little cussing fest off camera. And I'm still in a bad mood. It's just one of them days. I'm trying to calm down. It's not working. It's not working. So I'm just gonna end the video here. I'm sorry, but I don't feel like being on camera. I hope y'all have a better Monday and start to your work week than me, but I'm trying my hardest not to snap and crash out right now. So I will see y'all later. If y'all don't see me for a while, I took a few days off because I'm irritated. Sorry I'm ending the video like this again, but I hope y'all have a better day than me. Bye, y'all.